Archaeologists and writers of Harappan civilization discovery. Discovery and understanding of the Harappan civilization owe a great deal to the work of archaeologists, researchers, and scholars who have dedicated their efforts to unraveling the mysteries of this ancient civilization. While the Harappan civilization did not leave behind written records that provide direct information about its own scholars or writers, there are notable individuals who have played pivotal roles in the discovery and interpretation of this ancient civilization. Here are a few prominent figures. Sir John Marshall. Sir John Marshall was the Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India from 1902 to 1928. He led the excavations at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, two major sites of the Harappan civilization, and laid the foundation for the study of the Indus Valley civilization. Marshall's work significantly contributed to our understanding of the civilization's urban planning, architecture, and material culture. Rakhal Das Banerjee. Rakhal Das Banerjee, an Indian archaeologist, carried out extensive excavations in the 1930s and 1940s at sites such as Kalibangan, Lothal, and Harappa. His work provided crucial insights into the urban layout, craft specialization, and trade networks of the Harappan civilization. Mortimer Wheeler. Sir Mortimer Wheeler, a British archaeologist, directed the excavations at Mohenjo-daro from 1944 to 1945. His work shed light on the advanced urban planning, sanitation systems, and the high level of organization in the Harappan cities. Wheeler's contributions helped establish the international recognition of the Harappan civilization. R.S. Bisht. R.S. Bisht, an Indian archaeologist, conducted extensive excavations at the site of Dholavira in the 1990s. His excavations revealed a well-preserved and intricate water management system, large-scale fortifications, and unique urban planning, providing valuable insights into the Harappan civilization.